everyone, welcome to my channel today. It's Lynn here. So in today's video I am popping on with a beautiful card and a couple of ATCs that I have received from Jenny at Jenny's Crafty Corner. Now Jenny and I decided to do a swap on some ATC. So I've received mine from Jenny and I've also sent Jenny her little ATCs. I'm also going to share a little mini haul with you that I purchased from Craftstash. So yeah, without further ado, I shall share my lovely card with you all. So this is the gorgeous card that I have been sent from Jenny. So it's a get well soon card in lovely pink, silver and white, with a get well soon in the centre. This has all been stamped, and then Jenny has popped these lovely pink, silver and white circles into the centre, and then popped these lovely little, I'm not sure if they are Nouveau drops or some kind of drops in a lovely pink colour to make the little berries on the foliage. And she has also stamped some gorgeous cute little butterflies and coloured those in. It's like a shimmery pink colour, and I really love that. And then on the back she has her cute Made with Love by Jenny stamp on the back. And then this is my first gorgeous ATC. How beautiful is that? I love the pinky background, and then Jenny has popped some lovely foliage in different greens, the beautiful little pink flowers, and then she's popped some glitter into the centre of the flowers, a lovely little pink heart, and then all these lovely gems. And then here she has popped Dream. How pretty is that? So that is my, oh sorry, and then this gorgeous pink butterfly. So this one is called Butterflies and Flowers. So that is my first one. Yeah, and then the next gorgeous one is again a beautiful pink background, a lovely little pink heart, and then she has arranged the foliage, two different kinds of foliage in two different colours greens, and then she has arranged the flowers in a little group of three with some glitter in the centre, and another lovely butterfly up the side, and then pop these lovely little gems on there too. And then we have this little looks like some kind of sticker that says smile. And I will just check at the back. This one is also butterflies and flowers. And yeah, how gorgeous are they? Absolutely fabulous. So thank you ever so much for those, Jenny. I will leave a link to Jenny's channel in my description box below. Don't forget to head over and show her some crafty love. And yeah, that is my lovely ATCs and gorgeous get well card. So I will pop on to my crafty haul. So first of all, the first thing that I purchased was this Craft UK Limited 50 sheets of craft card. Now this is A4 280 GSM, so that is my first purchase. The next purchase was Anita's Plain White Vellum Pack, acid free. You get 10 sheets in the pack and they are 120 GSM. So I'm after these to make some more of my vellum flowers. I have a couple of videos on my channel showing you how to create flowers using vellum. I will leave the link to those videos if you would like to check them out. And then I got 12 sheets of Crafter's Companion heat resistant acetate. So the acetate I am going to be popping on with a project probably nearer Easter when I pop on with my project. So yeah, and it's also great to pop inside say boxes. If you cut a little bit out of the lid on your box, you can pop a piece of acetate, and also it's ideal for stamping and embossing and glittering. So yeah, looking forward to using that one. And then I purchased fallen on the floor, so sorry about this. I've also purchased 2 ink pads. So one of them is a Distress Oxide Stormy Sky and the other one is Distress Ink Picket Fence. So I've got those. And I've also, I'm on to my last couple of pieces. I've been after a sentiment that I could pop on to backgrounds on my cards. So I've chosen this Creative Expressions pre-cut mounted rubber stamp, and it's in French script. It's an A-size A6 stamp. So I'm going to look forward to creating with my stamp. And I'm on to my last couple of things here. So I also purchased this Simply Cards and Papercraft magazine, issue 266. I will be popping back on with this, so I'm really looking forward to getting through my magazine. I'm rather behind. I have another one after this to look at too. So that is the magazine. And then the last thing that was in my little bundle of stuff, this Creative Craft product, and it's filigree border super size nestables. You get 5 dies in the set. Now then, this, I didn't purchase this, it came as a gift. You had to spend a certain amount of money. I cannot remember how much it was now because it's a good number of weeks ago when I bought all these crafty goodies, so not quite sure. But yeah, you had a choice of 3 different nestable die sets, so I've chosen this one. So yeah, that was my little gift. So yeah, so if you are interested in any of the products I have shared with you today, do head on over to Craftstash. I have a little code that I will pop in my description box below, and all that means is if you decide to purchase any of these goodies I've shared with you or anything else from Craftstash, and you use my code, I will earn a small percentage. It's not a lot, at no extra cost to yourself, but it will really help my channel. So yeah, that is my little crafty goodies today, and also my gorgeous card and ATCs from Jenny at Jenny's Crafty Corner. I will leave a link to Jenny's channel in my description box below. And yeah, that is it for today. Thank you ever so much for joining me. I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting. Have a wonderful day. Take care and see you all soon. Bye bye for now.